Hey y'all, welcome to Murales the Cuisine, and this is your girl Shika doing the narration. So about a month ago I posted something. About a month ago I posted this video on Instagram, and people were asking me to show them the recipe, and so I posted it. I posted me making the sauce, but I didn't post the curry rice. So today I'm posting the curry rice. So I'm gonna put my 2.5 cups of water on high heat and just add 2 tablespoons of curry powder and my half teaspoon of cloves. Okay, and because it's on high heat, it's just going to boil in no time. Now the catch here is just to make sure the color gets off into my water, and then I'll stir it in just to make sure there are no lumps. Then cover it and just wait for it to boil. Now as soon as it boils, I put off the fire and then allow it to sit and have the water get saturated. Like, I want the water to be saturated with that gorgeous yellow color. I'll go ahead and melt my 2 tablespoons of salted butter under low heat, and I'll just try and salvage the cloves from the curry concoction and put it in the butter and just allow the butter to melt so that the flavors start building from it. And because the clove is not enough, this is just an addition to the recipe. It wasn't an original intent. I added a little bit of star anise. Okay, so I'm just breaking it in there, and then I'll just let it sit on very low heat whilst I wash my rice and I add it. As you can see, I haven't drained the rice properly, which is bad, but I hope you do a better job than I'm doing right now. And then let's add our curry concoction. One of the reasons to allow the curry sit after boiling is also to make the sediment or the little particles in the curry sit at the bottom of the pan. Because if you add the sediment, it will make the rice not look neat and the rice doesn't become fine. So when the rice is ready, I'll collect the cloves and star anise because it ruins the taste when you bite into any of them. So as you can see, my rice is ready. Look at that, wow, brilliant yellow color. Anyways, it's time to eat. So if you like this video and you like my other videos, and you probably will be liking the videos I make in future, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button, and I will be grateful. Thank you. See y'all.